In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to ribbon view in Ownerrez. If you're working inside Ownerrez and want a different way to look at your bookings, switching to ribbon view is a quick and simple adjustment. This view can make it easier to scan reservations across your properties, especially if you prefer a more visual layout on the calendar page. To get started, go to Ownerrez and open the platform as you normally would. Once you're signed in, you'll want to make sure you're on the main dashboard or booking calendar area where your reservation information is displayed. This is the section where you can manage and review your schedule, so it's the right place to make this change. From the dashboard, keep your attention on the top right area of the screen. That's where you'll find the menu options that control how your calendar or booking information is shown. If you've never changed this before, don't worry. The option is easy to spot once you know where to look. In the upper right menu, find the option labeled Ribbon and click on it. That single click changes the display format from the current view into Ribbon View. You don't need to save anything manually, and there aren't any extra confirmation steps involved. Ownerrez applies the change right away. Once you click Ribbon, the page updates and you'll immediately see that you're now in Ribbon View. At this point, your bookings should appear in the ribbon style layout, giving you a different perspective on your calendar and availability. This can be especially helpful if you want a cleaner way to review multiple reservations at a glance. If the screen takes a moment to refresh, that's completely normal. Just give it a second, and the new layout should appear. If you ever want to switch back to another display style later, you can usually return to the same area in the upper right menu and choose a different view option. That's all it takes to change to ribbon view in Ownerrez. It's a very fast adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how you navigate your booking calendar and manage your day-to-day workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly switch your Ownerrez calendar into ribbon view.